Welcome to this video on safety and measurement in electrical engineering. We will explore the tools, components, and concepts vital for safe electrical practices. Electricity is a powerful force. Engineers must control this power through precise measurement and the implementation of robust safety systems to protect human life. Part 1 focuses on measurement. Engineers use specific tools, like the analog meter shown here, to measure fundamental electrical properties in a system. The voltmeter measures voltage or pushing force and connects in parallel. The ammeter measures current or electron flow and connects in series. The megger is used to test insulation by measuring high resistance. This prevents dangerous electrical leaks, ensuring electricity remains on its intended path. Part 2 covers safety components. Since power flows are heavy, these components are essential to protect both people and equipment from harm. Residual Current Circuit Breakers, or RCCBs, act as sensors. They monitor current balance, detect earth faults, and instantly break the power flow when an imbalance is detected. In homes, a highly sensitive 30 mA RCCB is used for human safety. Industry uses a 100 mA RCCB to prevent nuisance trips from heavy machinery. Long-distance travel of electricity uses extremely high voltage to minimize power losses. Transformers then step the voltage down to safer levels, such as 220 volts for homes and 440 volts for industry. Heavy motors require massive current to start, which can damage equipment. Star-delta starters feed a lower initial voltage, safely reducing the starting current. Part 3 focuses on shock hazards. Electric shocks are dangerous, and AC and DC supplies present different risks due to their current characteristics. Alternating current, AC, reverses direction 50 times per second. The current wave crosses a zero point, creating a brief release window, though AC remains highly lethal. Direct current, DC, flows continuously in one direction with no zero point. This continuous flow clamps human muscles, preventing a victim from releasing. Any supply above 50 volts causes fatalities. A C reverses flow, has a zero point, and allows a brief release window. DC flows continuously, has no zero point, and causes a dangerous muscle clamp. Good engineers measure the system and install safety components. The best engineers understand the human hazard. Safety is a continuous loop of measurement, protection, and prevention.